Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today we'll be doing a loft bed, okay, something like this lah. Okay, there's a few picture here we can refer. Okay, so you can go to customize. Okay, we'll be using system cabinet function. Okay, so here you can drag out steel frame. Okay, drag to the wall here. Okay, then you can change the size. Okay, change the size here. I will change the width to 2200. Okay, and then you can move a bit, right? So the depth I will change to 1200. Okay, and then the height 1800. Okay, 1008. Okay, if you have your own size, you can use your own sizing. Okay, this is just a reference. Okay, so you can see D1 here is 40. D1 is the diameter of the steel frame. Okay, you can adjust it, let's say change to 20. Okay, so this is the outcome. Okay, so I'll be using the original size 40. Okay, and then you can change H1. H1 is the feet here. Okay, the height of the steel feet. Okay, here I will change to 900. Okay, then we're gonna drag another steel frame on top here for the bed part. Okay, drag another steel frame. Okay, so this one you cannot drag on top. Okay, just drag it to the side. So here you can press Z button. Okay, press Z button on your keyboard. So you will see here, go to point capture. Okay, point capture. Select the corner here. Okay, each corner will have green dots. Then move it to the top dots here. Okay, so you move it corner to corner, right? So you can press escape button. Okay, so here you can select the steel frame, adjust the sizing. Okay, the width I will follow the size 2200, and then the height make it 400. Okay, so the H1, okay, H1 is a steel feet. Okay, the height change it to 200. Okay, this one you can adjust. Okay, you can try and error, adjust the steel height. Okay, the steel feet height. Okay, you can see here, rotate the camera on the side. Okay, maybe I will change H1 to 160. 160. Okay, then click enter. Right? Then you can press B button on your keyboard. Okay, B button, make sure you are inside board selection mode. Select the middle frame here and delete it. Okay, just press delete button. Then you can press escape button. Okay, exit the board selection mode. Okay, right click on the steel frame. Okay, right click, go to add function part. Okay, so here you can go to system cabinet, go to panel class. Okay, you can select which panel. Let's say I go to 18mm panel, then go to standard functional parts. I will drag out this one, front circular diaphragm. Just drag it inside here. Okay, so this one you can adjust the height. Okay, you can place it downward of the steel frame, or you can place it on top. Okay, then you can close this one, adjust the depth. Okay, adjust the depth here. I will change to 400. Okay, so this is the panel for the table. Okay, here you can adjust the height. Right, or you can press inside here. Let's say I put -42. Okay, you can adjust the height. Then you can do the staircase part on the left side. Just drag another steel frame on this side. Okay, so here I will change the width to 600. Okay, click enter, and then adjust the height. Okay, 450. Okay, my height is 450. Then H1 I will set it to 0, so it will fall to the floor. Right, so this is the distance here. Okay, when I adjust the distance, mine is 802. Set the distance to 0. Click enter, so the steel frame will snap to each other. Okay, so this one you can copy the steel frame. Right click. Okay, right click, go to copy, or you can press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, so this one you can just press Ctrl V. Okay, copy it 3 times, so you have a three steel frame here on the floor. You can press Z button, go to point capture. Okay, drag the corner here. Okay, select the corner. Okay, see the green dots, drag the green dots. okay, on top on each other. Okay, then press escape button. Okay, so you have 4 steel frames stacked on top of each other. Okay, so we will change the depth one by one. Okay, so here I will change the depth to 900. Okay, and select the second one, change to 600. Okay, the last one here, change to 300. Okay, click enter. Okay, done. Okay, so now we're going to change the material. Okay, you guys can try change the material. Right click. Okay, right click on the steel frame, go to material style here, choose. So now we are inside material, metal material. Okay, so I'll go to page number 2. Okay, you can try select this one. This one is black color. Okay, or this one. Okay, I will choose this color. Okay, you can go material painter. Okay, click material painter, use this one to copy and paste the color. Okay, copy this color. Right, copy this color and paste on other steel frame. Okay, paste the color. Okay, done. You can right click to cancel. Okay, done. So now, okay, let's refer the picture. Okay, so here got wood panel. Okay, we got wooden panel on the stair part. Okay, you can right click on the steel frame. Okay, just right click, go to add function part. Okay, so now you go to system cabinet, go to panel class. Okay, 18mm standard functional parts. Okay, so I will drag out shelf. Okay, just drag out shelf inside. Okay, you can drag another shelf inside. Okay, so once you drag, you will see this error message. You can just ignore the message. Okay, here ignore. Okay, you can continue drag shelf inside. Okay, another one is on top. Okay, go up here, drag shelf. Right, done. Okay, then we're gonna drag a back plane. Okay, this one can adjust, ignore. Okay, you can scroll down, select back plane here. Okay, move it inside, just drag it inside the steel frame. Okay, so you follow the size. Okay, drag inside, down here. If it won't follow the size, you can adjust the shelf here. Okay, just select the shelf, move your cursor up and down. Okay, ignore. Then drag the back plate again. Okay, drag to the steel frame. Okay, so it will follow the size. Okay, done for the staircase part. Alright, so now we're gonna add another shelf for the bedding part. Okay, you can right click on the steel frame here, go to add function part, drag out shelf inside. Okay, done. You can close it. Okay, so now we have done for the all the wooden panel. Okay, you can drag out some accessories to it. You can go to library. Okay, you can go to you can go to furniture. Okay, then go to others. So here you can go to bed or cabinet components. This one. Maybe you can drag out some single mattress like this one. Okay, just drag it inside here. Okay, and then you can adjust the position. Okay, to rotate it, you can press Z button. Okay, Z button to rotate. Okay, move it inside a bit. Alright. Okay, so let's say you don't want to do the staircase part, you can just go to ladder. Okay, drag out some ladder. Okay, you can use this one. Okay, or you can use this one. Okay, you can explore more. There's more option inside here. Okay, maybe you can put on the side. Okay, here you can adjust the position. Okay, so inside the product information here, you can adjust the sizing. Okay, here I will adjust the height. Okay, so this one you can move inside a bit. Alright, so that's all. Okay, this is the outcome. Okay, you guys can try. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching.